Hey, how you doing, Mr. Garza? This is John Kirkpatrick. I own To The Top Marketing down here in Burleson, and thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Now, I'm going to go over just a few things real quick. Content, citation, and backlinks, those are the three things that help your website rank. But first of all, I just wanted to address what you're asking yourself probably is, why am I doing this? Why am I sending this to you? I give you everything in this video, the things that I would do. So I'm not trying to hide anything. I don't want to try to get anything over on you. You had asked what it cost. I'm going to show you everything and how to do it. And if you want help with that, I can put together a plan for you. It's kind of like somebody saying, hey, my AC's not working. How much to fix it? Well, I need to see it. Well, no, just give me a price now. Okay, well, what size is your house? What's going on with it? So basically, I'm just going to show you some things that I would do to improve your website ranking. And if you want help with it, just reach back out to me and I'll give you a detailed plan, just kind of what cities and what keywords you want to target and how much that would cost to do it. So anyways, let me jump right into this. So content is the first thing I want to talk about. Content is everything on your page here that you can highlight. So any text, any pictures, even what your pictures are saved as. It does look like you had an SEO guy start working on this or doing some work, because I can see that you just started adding some backlinks. And they're trying to do some good stuff here. So if you right click on an image and tell it to save as, so they've got an Aztec AC heating and HVAC van. So that's good. It's, it's kind of your name. You want to rank for that. But then this one down here, most people have these saved as random. You have it saved as air conditioner repairman. Now, you don't want to be found for air conditioner repairman keyword. You want to be found for AC repair Fort Worth. So that's why keyword research is super important, to know what people are searching for, because you might think somebody's searching for an AC repairman Fort Worth, but they're not going to put repairman in there. So you want to save these as something that people are actually searching for. That's where keyword research is so important. Second, Google really likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content, and that's original content. So testimonials, if this is anywhere else on the web, like if this is on your Google My Business, this isn't going to count towards your total words. So it looks like this is kind of the only content you have here is this little heading and text, and then this heading and text right here. So you're definitely short of that 2,000 words. And what adding content allows you to do is it allows you to add more keywords in organically. So let's go over here and look at one of your competitors' websites, Fort Worth Air Conditioning Company Incorporated. They've done a really good job with putting a bunch of content on their site, but also working in organic keywords. So quality AC and heating repair service in Fort Worth, air conditioning contractor Fort Worth, and then if you keep scrolling down, air conditioning heater repair, air conditioning repair Fort Worth. That's actually something that gets searched like 500 times a month. So when you have an exact match heading of content and then you work it in here again and you're in the text underneath it, it helps you get found. So that's content. Second, I wanted to talk about citations. So you see here I just searched AC repair Fort Worth. This is something, like I said, that gets searched 500 times a month. Up top here you have your ads. Underneath it you have all of your organic search results. And then right here, this is called the map pack section, or the Google My Business section. Super important to get listed in here because it drives a lot of traffic to your website, and a lot of times somebody will just click on the click to call one of these and they won't even click on a website. So it's important to get ranked here, and there's a couple of ways to do that. Number one, you want to have more reviews than your competition, but more important than even reviews, because you can tell Fort Worth Air Conditioning Company has 361 reviews. This one has 21. This one has 27. So reviews aren't the be-all end-all, but the thing that gets you ranked here is what's called a citation. Now, a citation is just your name, address, and phone number listed throughout different directories in the web, like Angie's List or Yellow Pages or Yelp. Anywhere that's a directory, you want to get listed there. So like Fort Worth Air Conditioning CO Incorporated, you want that exact word if you're trying to get a citation, their exact address that they got their Google My Business listed under, and then their phone number. That counts as a citation. The more you have, the better, and that's going to help you rank higher in this Google My Business section. So Fort Worth Air, that's the company I was comparing with you and showing you. This is their URL, the Fort Worth Air Conditioning Company. They are ranked in the second spot right here for AC repair in Fort Worth, which, like I said, gets searched 500 times a month. So let's go back here and look kind of at the back end of the website. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It's about $100 a month for this tool, but if you're going to try to do any of this yourself, I would definitely recommend getting it. It helps you see where you have backlinks coming from and where your competitors have backlinks coming from. So you've got 96 backlinks coming from 32 different referring domains. You're getting found for 7 organic keywords, and it's only driving 13 people a month to your website. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure you're getting good topical backlinks. And a good way to do that is, Fort Worth Air, they're doing something right, and you can see it here. They've got close to 200 referring domains, pushing 1.17 thousand backlinks to their site. They're being found for 306 organic keywords, and that organic keyword just means something that somebody is searching for, like HVAC Fort Worth or their business name, something like that. So they're getting found for 306 different terms, and it's driving 381 people a month to their website. So if you want to beat them, I would just come in here and click on referring domains. It's going to show you every single place that they have a link, and just go out and get the same one. So there's going to be some blogs, there's going to be a bunch of different directories. You just, everywhere that they have a link, go get one as well, because it's obviously working for them, and if it's working for them, it's going to work for you. So that would be my recommendation. It does look like you just started adding backlinks here in January, because you can see this massive spike. I would say don't add too many at once. You want to have it look slow and natural. And the backlinks that are getting added, it shows that most of them are coming from just kind of junk websites. So you want to be careful of that. This is the URL, which is like the strength of a website. You want to get a couple of 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s in here, or otherwise Google's just going to look at it as spam, and it's almost going to hurt you in what you're trying to do, which is rank higher. So that's all the tips I have for you. That was backlinks. Talked about citations and how that helps your Google My Business rank, and then we talked about your content, how you need to have more added to your site, and you also need to have more keywords added in here so you can be found for that. Exact match keywords of what people are searching for. So if that was helpful, I hope it was. Please take this information and run with it. If you would like help with this, or just to keep your own SEO guys accountable, reach out to me and I'd be happy to talk with you and answer any questions that you may have. So thank you so much, Mr. Garza, for watching this. Give me a call at 469-247-1707 if you'd like to discuss anything. You have a blessed day, sir. Thank you.